All right, thought I'd give a little update on the truck. I didn't do a whole lot on the truck today. It is absolutely gorgeous outside, so I'm trying to limit my time in the shop. One thing I did do this week is I had to get a new booster. The one that Summit had sent me, I don't know what was wrong with it. It was missing the nuts, so I put some nuts on there. I couldn't get metric or standard to work, and it ended up boogering up all these threads. So they sent a new one out, no questions asked. So this one's perfect. It's got all the right nuts and everything on it. So I just test fitting that. That's why that's in there. And today what I did was I came up and I boxed up the heads. I'm going to ship them off tomorrow morning. So they're in there secure, and the transmission's down there. I'm going to take it out to the transmission shop in the morning as well. So finally making some progress. I went by the machine shop Saturday morning, and he's getting ready to start working on the motor, on the bottom end that is. So it's finally all coming together. So got the cam ordered, doing all the head work. Having to have those 317 heads milled down 30 thousandths just to bump the compression just a little bit. We've got some room to do it. So I thought I'd give a little update. Not a whole lot going on. Shop's still a disaster. I haven't been up here to clean up yet. So I'm going to try to get up here one night this week and clean all this stuff up and get rid of that over there. I've had a couple people interested, but no bites yet. I've got one guy I need to call. That kind of reminded me I need to call him. He was interested, so maybe get rid of that, free up a couple bucks. So that's about it today. Nothing exciting. Sorry, there was nothing interesting happening this week. So I am going to get up here one night, like I say, clean this up, and start kind of cleaning up underneath the hood here, clean the frame rails, everything, get everything ready. I got to order some more parts. I was going to order the gas tank and get that going, but I'm going to wait. It's actually going to be on sale in November, so I'm going to wait for that sale. I'm just going to start ordering some of the basic parts right now. Let's get the motor bolted in, so I get new motor mounts, adapter plates, and all that. So, but anyway, hang with me. I appreciate everybody watching. I know this is short, so please like and subscribe if you'd like to. I don't know why you'd like this video. It's short, but anyway, subscribe if you'd like to. So. More fun stuff coming. Thanks for watching.